From Kids Cook Real Food. We are back with another cooking video for you to get your kids in the kitchen and doing some healthy stuff. Today we're doing literally the skill we feel is most important for any chef or cook in the kitchen, and that's knife skills. Because if you're going to eat healthy fruits and vegetables, you just move the camera for me, Paul. I'm doing this without a tripod. You'll see why in just a second. To eat healthy and eat fruits and vegetables, you've got to be able to cut into them, no matter how old you are, from age 2 to adult. So we're going to demonstrate 4 different age level skills that you can do today. Hopefully you still have, some produce left from your grocery runs. Okay, so first, here we come with the banana and the butter knife. We do this for real, starting as young as age 2. But who are you, sir?
Hi, Gabe. I'm 5 years old.
Yep, Gabe's 5. He's almost aging out. You're going to get a sharp knife soon, buddy. Look out. All right, show us how you cut that banana. You're going to show all the kids. They can grab their butter knives and their bananas. You don't need special tools for kids to cook. Gabe, can you choke up a little bit? That'll give you more power. Show the kids. Yup, yes. Kids tend to hold it a little too close to the end. So we tell them to choke up more toward the middle. Now, how, sir, are you holding that banana so safely?
Hey, out of the way.
We call it hey, out of the way. You can see his hands all the way on the end of the banana. His fingers are straight up and down like a soldier. And Gabe, I gotta ask you, when you move those banana slices to your bowl, where's that knife gonna go? Maybe
out
you can.
Out of the way, on the ground.
Well, maybe not the ground. Maybe the table. Can you show us? Show us how you move. Yeah, we say food moves, knife down. Knife moves, eyes down. Go ahead and you can put some of the bananas in the bowl. What are you making for snack today?
Monkey salad.
Monkey salad. It's bananas, nuts, and coconut, and milk if you have it, although the original recipe doesn't even have milk. That's a great cereal alternative that's super nutrient dense. John is 8. He's been using a sharp knife. Go ahead and start cutting, John. He's been using a sharp knife for, oh my gosh, 2 years now, I think. He asked. He said, I think I'm ready, Mom. I want to be like sister. Oh, well, you know what we forgot to do? I can see your cutting board is swiveling around. If that happens to you, Leah's going to do it. She's going to get a dishcloth. Buddy, sorry. Okay. Okay, there we go. Notice now his carrots are flat side down. That's really important. We don't want things rocking around. John, I want you to get your tip of your knife through between your fingers. John, listen. And push the whole thing down. Add a little top chop if you can't get it through. Can you start it up, get it buried in the carrot. There you go. Now do top chop with your hand. Do you know how to do that? Yeah. So flat hand, give a little extra push. His fingers are super safe. And he would never do a wiggle to the side and if his hand wasn't on the top. Look at this. Gabe's finished his monkey salad over here. So John's doing carrot sticks. Obviously, you can do carrot wheels. Carrots are not safe unless you have a big enough knife. And I kind of am thinking we should have sharpened that knife. I like that you switched to top chop there, John. Good job. I would say carrots are not really a beginner skill, but John's been doing sharp knives for 2 years. And who's next here with the apple?
I'm Leah, and I'm 11. And so I'm going to cut the apple in half.
Notice the tip of the knife was down, right?
And I make sure I put the apple on the flat side and use up and over soldier and tug of war.
Yeah, tug of war. It's tug of war pull. Up and over soldier is the way you hold the food. Tug of war pull is how you move the knife.
And then make sure fingers are out of the way. And cut it off and make a moon shape.
Yeah, cut the core out. Oh, nope, you're not going to do that. It's very important not to cut toward your hand. Sometimes we get going so fast that we forget our best practice. That's very good.
I'm going to cut it into slices. Doing another up and over soldier and tug of war pull.
Yeah, we call it, for little kids, we call that going right through the tunnel like a choo-choo train. And the fingers are very safe because the knife is not moving side to side toward her hand. It's moving tug of war pull back toward her belly. And notice when she moves her food, her knife was down. What do we got here next, Mr. Tall Person way up there?
Yeah, I'm Paul and I'm 14. I'm going to dice a potato. So first I'll use the up and over soldier and make sure my tip of my knife is pointed toward the board. And I'll make 2 or 3 slices lengthwise depending on how big your potato is. So I'm going to do 3 since this is a pretty big potato.
So you can see he's working hard to hold those pieces together. He's got my favorite knife, our 6-inch Westhoff Chef's knife.
Once I've got those cuts, I'll lay the potatoes on their flat side just like I did, or Leah did with the apple. And then I'll do lengthwise again so that they look like French fries 2 or 3 times. As you can see now, they're basically French fries. Finish dicing. I'll turn it on its side and use a cross-hatch pattern. Straight through using the rockabye knife, and then the hey out of the way with my fingers.
See how the fingers are straight up and down. We say we never point your fingernails toward the knife because the knife might want to come and find those fingernails. So we keep our fingers straight up and down. Then if the knife ever hits the finger, you know what? It's not going to be very bad. Not going to be cutting anything off. Cool. We're going to use the potatoes tomorrow in a soup. Apple will be a snack. Carrots for dinner. And I got some hired labor over here cutting up peppers too because I bought 7 peppers yesterday and I don't think they'll last forever in my fridge. Did you know, bonus tip, that you can freeze peppers without blanching, without doing anything special? So these 5 peppers are going into a gallon-sized freezer bag. They're going to be frozen either in slices or dices. If they're slices and you want dices, you just let them thaw like 15 minutes and then you can usually dice them up. Good job, guys. Super safe. I see oh, Leah's got her finger down the knife, but Leah's got a paring knife. So I just think the finger down the knife is okay on the paring knife, but it's not helpful for a chef's knife. Guys, I feel like that was a really good demonstration, but I feel like I want the kids to have good training in like all the holds. Should we give them our knife skills class for free?
Yes.
That'd be good? Okay. So I'm going to go into the description and edit it and share our knife skills class. 10 minutes, all 4 ways to hold the food, 3 ways to move the knife. Same for ages 2 to 12. Gabe, did you know that you learn the same knife techniques that Paul does? Yeah, you didn't know that, but you do. That way, when you're like 6 next year and you say, Mom, I think I'm very safe. I think I can do a sharp knife. I'll say, you know what? I see that you're safe too. I think you can do a sharp knife. Won't that be cool? Yeah. All right, kids, get in the kitchen. We at Kids Cook Real Food say see you later, and we'll see you tomorrow with another video.